What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today, as you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck. Now, it's the month of September, and something huge just happened with this device, but also confusing at the same time. Let's get into it. Okay, YouTube, so you guys know, as far as the S24 Ultra go, a lot of us been waiting for it to get a big update in September. We've been looking for Samsung One UI 6.1.1 to come to this device. Now, today, I did get a huge update. The update I got was like 2.8 gigabytes. Huge update for this device. And it also has a whole host of new features. It's got an insane amount of new features that translated from the new features that came with the Fold 6 and the Flip 6. Now the S24 Ultra is getting them involving a lot of AI things. A lot of AI stuff is coming over to the S24 Ultra that Samsung dropped with One UI 6.1.1 on the Fold 6 and Flip 6. Now, if y'all notice, I'm going to go here to this update that I got today. Now, if you look at my S24 Ultra, it says your S24 Ultra is up to date, One UI version 6.1. I'm running One UI version 6.1 still after getting a huge update. Now I'm going to go to the update that shows everything. I guess basically this was a feature drop. I'm going to show y'all everything that this device just got, even though it's still on an August security patch, not the latest security patch, and on One UI 6.1. Now I'm going to take you to the last update, guys, and this is just what I got. All these new features. This is basically a One UI update. So this isn't the overall Android software on this device update. This is specifically speaking to One UI, but at the same time, it's not Android version 6.1.1. So maybe another update could happen by the end of the month that includes the security patch for September for this device. I'm not sure. I'm confused. I'm seeing a lot of the media outlets actually advertise this One UI 6.1.1, but it is the features, but it's not full on One UI 6.1.1 yet. Now we take a look, guys. There's a lot going on. Galaxy AI. You can turn simple sketches into awesome images, create unique portraits, let your phone do the writing for you, translate calls, and more apps translate image text on web pages. Like, you remember, this was also one of those AI devices. But since the Fold 6 and the Flip 6, AI has gotten even bigger and better on Samsung devices, so they had to kind of like refresh this device, but also create epic images. Things that are fun and based around AI are on this device and updated now. Unlock a healthier you, so more health stuff going on with this device and more productivity as far as the Smart Select, enhanced multi-window experience, easier file copying and moving. Now I'm definitely going to review this device once we get the complete official One UI 6.1.1. But we got all the features, so I can start really digging deep into it. I think we just need that full-on security patch. Even more improvements: design and share your profile card, skim through videos quickly, answer calls with a tap instead of a swipe, enhanced assistant. But as you can see, all that in the update version is 6.1. So basically, the way I'm going to call it is, we got the One UI 6.1.1 features, but we just haven't got the full-on update of the entire Android system or the Android software. This spoke specifically to One UI, and without the security patch and the complete full-on update, they can't put that 6.1.1 on our update yet. We might get another update. Who knows? I'm not sure. I'm sure that they're going to bring that September security patch, and it might fully give us One UI 6.1.1. But we definitely got a lot of the features today. A huge feature drop, a huge W for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultras. You're getting a lot of AI features that deal with just different things that you can do and generate images in your gallery. You got AI features that help you with your S Pen and your drawing, the sketch to real image thing that we saw with the Z Fold 6 that they was heavy on. When they put the Z Fold 6 out, they kept talking about how you can make an image, you can sketch it, and then the device will turn it into a beautiful image. We got that over here now, so we just got a lot of things unlocked on the S24 Ultra. I'm also waiting for this update for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, we got to really have a conversation. Is Samsung really becoming the GOAT when it comes to AI? Because yes, Google is doing a lot of this engineering and putting these things together, but for some reason, Samsung can get this software and literally start pushing it out to older devices that came before. I'm not exactly sure what devices are going to get this update, but I know at least last year's devices, like probably the Z Flip 5, Z Fold 5, S23 Ultra, are probably going to get it. You know what I mean? So it's just one of them things where you got to look at it like, wow, how is Samsung having the sauce to really just get AI on all their devices, even older devices? And it's like, I got my S24 Ultra, but now everything that they talk about when it comes to the Fold 6 and the AI stuff is going to be on here. So I really think that's dope. I really think that speak to these devices and how well these devices are made and engineered, and the processing power that they can go back so many years with AI features on these devices and put them out there for Samsung users that don't have to jump every year to get the latest update and the latest tricks on their device. But it's your boy BG Tech Life. If you got a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, probably the carrier ones, this is a carrier version, AT&T version, you probably can go ahead and update. I know people with unlocked versions is getting backwards. Usually, back in the day, unlocked versions used to get updates faster. Now, carrier versions get updates faster. It's weird how they did that switch. I really didn't like that. That's why I stopped really getting the unlocks, because I like to get my updates quick so I can do my videos and things of that nature. But go ahead, check it out. Try, see if you can get the update. We got a lot of features. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.